Hi friends, in this video let us solve signals and system related question asked in GATE 2006 EC paper. The question is the unit impulse response of a system is given by h of t is equal to e power minus t where t is greater than 0. For the system, the steady state output value for unit step input. So what they have given impulse response, that is e power minus t greater than 0. What they ask output steady state output, that is y infinity when x of t is unit step input. So better I use steady state means I can use final, infinity means I can use final value theorem. So y infinity is equal to limit s tends to 0 s into y of s. So I want y of s. So simply I have h of t e power minus t. What is h of s? 1 by s plus 1. Right? What is h of s? Laplace transform of output divided by Laplace transform of input 1 by s plus 1. What is input? U of t. So what is x of t is u of t. What about x of s? 1 by s. So y of s is equal to 1 by s into 1 by s plus 1. What I need? Steady state output y of infinity. Y of infinity limit s tends to 0 s into y of s 1 by s into 1 by s plus 1. That is equal to 1. So steady state output is y of t infinity is equal to 1. So the answer is option C. Thank you.